Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk to you about adjusting the water level in your toilet tank. Now, the water level in your toilet tank does matter as to the performance of your toilet. It has to be at the right level to allow the correct flushing of both solids and liquids from the toilet itself. As a rule of thumb, when you look inside of a toilet tank, you'll see an overflow tube. The water level should be about 1/2 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch or so below the top of that tube. If you notice that the water level is right at the top of that tube, then it can be overflowing and it's wasting water. Or if you notice that it's way lower, closer to the bottom of the tank, then you just don't have enough volume of water to flush the toilet. So there's a couple ways you can adjust it. Some have a screw that you can either grab with your fingers to loosen or tighten, or you use a screwdriver. And by taking the actual float and lowering it closer to the bottom of the tank, then by doing so, the water level will go down, meaning that the level in the tank will be below the tube. If you notice that it's not high enough, if you raise that float up, more water will go into the tank. Again, you may have to play around with the adjusting and flush the toilet a few times, but your ultimate goal is about 1/2 an inch below the top of the overflow, so you have that toilet working properly and you're not wasting water.